In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for Agile. Whether you're running sprints or coordinating continuous delivery, Miro can give your team a shared visual space to plan, execute, and learn together. We'll start by setting up Agile boards. Open a new board and create a simple flow with columns labeled to do, doing, and done. Keep the workflow clear and compact so it's easy to scan at a glance. You can resize columns, add headers, and include brief notes at the top to define what qualifies for each stage. If your team handles multiple streams of work, add horizontal lanes to separate them, but keep the layout tidy so it stays fast and usable during daily stand-ups. Next, use templates like Kanban, user story maps, or retros to speed things up. From Miro's template library, choose a Kanban if you want a straightforward board for ongoing work. Pick a user story map when you need to organize features by user journey and prioritize slices of value for upcoming releases. For reflection and improvement, drop in a retrospective template to capture what went well, what didn't, and actions to take. These templates save time and ensure your team follows a familiar structure. Now add user stories and tasks. Use sticky notes or cards for stories, tasks, and bugs. Cards are great because they can hold a title, a description, and lightweight metadata, while sticky notes are perfect for quick capture and brainstorming. Write user stories in plain language so anyone can understand the value, then break them into bite-sized tasks. If you're tracking bugs, give them a distinct color so they stand out. Group related notes under the story they belong to, and add brief acceptance criteria or links to relevant designs or documents to reduce back and forth later. Track progress by moving cards across columns from to do to doing to done. Drag a task into doing only when someone has actively picked it up, and keep the doing column focused to maintain flow. During stand-ups, scroll through the board together and move items in real time. If something gets stuck, add a quick note on the card to highlight the blocker so it can be addressed promptly. Finally, share and collaborate. Invite teammates to the board and set the right level of access so people can view, comment, or edit. Use comments and mentions to ask questions or request reviews right where the work lives. Turn on cursors to co-edit live, and use quick reactions to acknowledge updates. With a shared board, your team stays aligned, transparent, and moving forward.